In this video, we will show you how to embed YouTube video in PowerPoints. To embed YouTube video in PowerPoints, it's very easy, but in here, you must carefully or understand how the embed YouTube can be played later. Okay, for example, in here, you open the PowerPoint and then you need to find the YouTube video. For example, here, we are using our video. And for example, we are using this video. You can right click in here and select copy link address. Or you can just open the video like this and you can copy the URL above. Okay, just copy here. After that, back into the PowerPoint. And in here, select insert tab. Okay, and select video. And you can just select online videos. You can see on the PowerPoint, there are just support 3 versions of online video: YouTube, SlideShare, and Vimeo. So YouTube is supported. We can just paste here. Right click and choose paste. And here our video, we can click insert after that. Okay, this is what we say before. Okay, for example, when you preview the video on the editor like this, it's very easy to be played. Okay, you can see it can directly play. But how to play this video when this video on the preview, okay, on slideshow or preview here, you can see maybe you are confused. You cannot play this video. When you click here, you can see to play this video, you need to just right click and select next. Okay, after you select next, the play button will appear and then you can play the video like this. And the second method, you can also play. Okay, I will exit here. You can also play the video by clicking the preview. After you click preview, you can using right arrow on your keyboard. Okay, it is also same with next. After you activate here, you can click right arrow. Okay, and back you can see the play button will appear. Or for easy, you can just using the right click and choose next like we show you before, like this. Okay, right click and click next, and you can click back and select the video. And that's all tutorial how to embed YouTube video in PowerPoint. Okay, it's very easy, but it's tricky how you can play when you show your presentation like this. That's, if you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.